Solid Records.
From out of Jamaica, Ras Xtr3me and Norman the Barba. Black people, why we fight each other so? It make you feel good to fight your brother, so time we unite and start live right out of the darkness, forward in the light. Black people, why we fight each other? It make you feel good to hate your sister. It's a disgrace, make we try set a pace and show more love amongst the black race. I'm black and I'm proud, me no afraid fi talk. Always I preach love anytime me walk. True to my roots and I own my craft. Black beautiful, listen when the Barba talk.
While we deliberate, communicate to the nation. Black skin name brand, stop the hate of your complexion. You are a great one. Nobody bad mind your brother when him greatness are show.
Hey, me have a big question, tell me why. Black don't like see a black man try. This is something where me see from me little and I grow, and a something where me hear or watch pan show. Black people, why we fight each other so? It make you feel good to fight your brother, so time we unite and start live right out of the darkness, forward in the light. Black people, why we fight each other? It make you feel good to hate your sister. It's a disgrace, make we try set a pace and show more love amongst the black race. Me astonished, is it an inborn thing to how some man try to stop them brethren from climbing the ladder, them try to hold him back without a cause, it's not a joke thing.
Them know which pan broom, but them love the witchcraft. Or when they want to do good, them just wanna wish bad. Open at them feeling they go super ego. Me no need your company, adios amigo.
Black people, why we fight each other so? It make you feel good to fight your brother, so time we unite and start live right out of the darkness, forward in the light. Black people, why we fight each other? It make you feel good to hate your sister. It's a disgrace, make we try set a pace and show more love amongst the black race.
Although my skin look brown to you, I'm still black and I'm no fool. Your love bad mind, just cleanse your ways. Your skin too thin so you envy me. And it's all clear, I see, and you did a black the way. So you come to blackmail me.
Black people, why we fight each other so? It make you feel good to fight your brother, so time we unite and start live right out of the darkness, forward in the light. Black people, why we fight each other? It make you feel good to hate your sister. It's a disgrace, make we try set a pace and show more love amongst the black race.